Today we're going to show you a simple custom touch you can add to any 2015 through 2020 Mustang from Drake Muscle Cars. These aluminum fuel doors from Drake Muscle Cars will fit any 2015 through 2020 Mustang and add a nice custom contrast to the side of your car. They're installed very, very easily. In our case, we're going to go with the black one to match the orange and black theme we already have going with our Cheese Whiz Mustang. The fuel door installation is going to be very, very simple. Now on the 15 through 17, it's actually a little bit easier. On the 18 through 20, there's one additional step. We're going to show you that first. To remove the factory fuel door, there's a small clip you have to pop and it slides right off. Now 15 through 17, that clip is easily visible. Starting 18 there, they added this decal here with some basic instructions on how to put fuel in the car that actually covers up that little clip. So we have to remove the decal to do the installation. What I suggest doing, grab your phone, snap a picture of that. That way you have it for reference, because once you take the sticker off, it's probably gonna rip when you remove it. You're not gonna wanna put it back on. The fuel door has little channels top and bottom and a little lock here. So all you do, basically is pull out on this and then slide the door off. Our Drake Muscle Car fuel door has the same things on the back as the factory one, including the lock. So you do is just line it up and slide it on. And your installation is finished. This black aluminum fuel door from Drake Muscle Cars looks great on an Orange Fury Mustang and really ties in with the other black treatments we have going on. Again, as we show you, it's also available in a silver finish if you're looking for more of a contrast. The installation, as you saw, really couldn't be easier. This is less than a minute or so. You'll be back on the road in no time. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed that video. Make sure you click on the CJ button so you subscribe for future videos and click the corner up here for more videos for your Mustang.